So what are the top problems do you think network marketers, I mean, there are some or you can say top, instead of problems, let's use another word. Okay, better word is top pains. Okay, this is better word, top pains. What are the top pains of a network market? Untold pains, nobody is talking about it. Okay, don't you think the top most untold pain, you're not able to explain this to anybody, is inconsistent income. You're not able to make consistent income. Someday you make, okay, some month you make, okay, 50,000, some month you make 1 lakh. Somebody joined this and 5 people they bought the starter kit, you made good money in that month, but you're not able to make it consistently. And another reality is, there's so many people only to show the check. Okay, I'm making 1 lakh, I'm making 2 lakh. What they are doing, they are just manipulating some things. Okay, I'm not explaining everything because this is live on YouTube, but what they are doing is sometimes just to grow up their check, they are doing billing in their front line, and then later on they distribute money. This is not the right way of building business. You'll not be able to sustain for long term like this. So what I suggest to all of you is, instead of chasing a level, instead of chasing, okay, I'm a manager, I'm a senior manager, I'm an eagle, I'm diamond, platinum, whatever fancy names, I'm eagle, right? I'm lion, I'm tiger. So don't focus on, I mean, obviously it is good to go to the next level as per your marketing plan, but your ideal focus should be consistent income. Somebody who is making 30 to 50,000 rupees every month, Indian currency, but consistently, important word, consistently, 30 to 50,000 per month. Don't you think your family will never go, I mean, will never be unsupportive? They will always support you. They always say, okay, good, yeah, it is a good business. You're making 30, 50,000 rupees. It is good. Okay. In a part time, if you're making this money, it is good. But there are people who are not even making 10 to 15,000 as well. Now that's a reality. That is an untold pain. Okay. Right now, I'm not talking to prospects. I'm not trying to impress anybody. Okay. I'm not here. Why should I motivate you to stay in network marketing? I'm telling you the truth. Okay. I'm telling you something which is the ground reality. Okay. So we are not here to motivate. Why should I wear any lens of any kind of motivation? Let's see things as it is. This is the reality. Now, if we accept the reality, only then our mind will say, what's the solution? Get it? This is absolutely true. Absolutely true. There were so many people who have achieved a level, still they are hustling. And this kind of life nobody wants. Okay? Nobody wants this. Okay? So, the top pains of network marketers are inconsistent money. I'm not talking about, okay, I'm not able to generate leads. All these things are learnable skills. You can learn these skills. But the top pains of a network marketer are, people are not making consistent money. People are confused. You know what is the confusion? Your upline says, visit office. Treat visiting office like how you visit temple. Okay, every week, at least once a day, every Tuesday, you should go and visit Hanuman Mandir. Similarly, every one day in a week, you should visit the office. You should go into that environment. Your upline says this. Is he right or wrong? I'm not saying anything is if he is right or wrong. Something which is working for him. Okay. But somebody you watch on YouTube, he says, no, do it 100% online. You read a book, that person says, do it this way. Then you watch another YouTube video, that YouTube video says, the new way of building network marketing business. I mean, when you are consuming so much of, when you are following too many people, you know what the problem is? The problem is everybody is right. And when you see everybody is right, you feel confused. Arey bhai, whom to follow? Okay, whom to follow? So that's a problem, because you have influence of your upline, you have influence of your cross line, and also many times we have influence of the top achiever in our company. Sometimes we feel confused. Oh, I'm not able to make 20, 30,000, and here another person in my company, he is making 10 lakh, 15 lakh per month. How is he doing the business? We feel confused. Correct? So confusion. Correct? Then bad business approach. Our business approach is truly bad. Okay? Just to achieve a particular level, we try to just do calling, and Initially you will feel excited, okay fine, I will do 20 calls per day, 30 calls per day, but 2 3 months down the line you will feel frustrated, okay, low in energy, and then there is no stability in the business. So these are the top pains. You're not able to make stable business. Stability, when I say stability, which means consistent flow of leads, and the retention of your team members. Team members come and join, they join and then leave, they join and they leave. Where is the stability? Correct. So that's why these are the top pains, and we need to identify, we need to accept it first. Just type accept it. Okay, first you need to accept. Okay, if you train your mind, yes, this is the truth. If you train your mind like this, only then you will be able to find solutions.